Have you ever rolled into the campground on a Friday night after a long pull, and boom, you're hit with this? We're going to show you how to fix that.
2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble.
So we travel with our fridge on, it's using our 12-volt battery, and we discovered that we arrived at a campground with a dead battery one day, and then we did some research, and we found out that we had to finish Ford's installation job on our 2012 Ford F-150. I can't speak for other model years, but '09 through 14. This probably applies to you, so check it out. So on your 7-way connector, there is one of the connectors that provides charging power to the 12-volt battery with whatever you're hauling. Specifically for us, it's our RV. And that is relay 9 and fuse 21. And they do not come installed from the factory. You have to install them yourself. So head over to your glove compartment. That's possibly where they are. This is an older model year, so it might not be. For us, it wasn't in the glove compartment. This had never been done to this truck. So we ordered them offline. I'll include part numbers below. This is the Ford kit that comes with the relay and the fuse, and this is a shot of the relay and the fuse that we're going to put in so that... Have you ever felt that you're at 0 volts on a Friday? Us too. That's why we started Weekends on Wheels and started our RV camping adventures. If this is something that interests you, hit that like and subscribe button, and come weekend with us. This relay is going to go into spot number 9. Make sure you put it in the right way. And I did not. Started to go that way and... Oop. Yep. Yeah, let's just turn that around so it goes in the right way. That's much better. So that's relay 9. That goes in there. Next fuse we're going to put in goes in spot number 21. And we're just going to pop that fuse in there. And after that, you should have live power back to your charging port. Our truck had to be started. It was not on constant 12-volt hot. So we went to the back of the truck and threw our voltmeter on it. So we'll hook up our voltmeter, positive to the charging prong, and then the ground is diagonal to it. And there we go. We're getting a 14.46 volt reading. So we now have voltage to our charging port, and our trailer will charge as we're driving. And we won't arrive with a dead battery at the campground. Hey, if you're liking this content, drop us a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe. You can come weekend with us.
2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble.